What's up, guys? My Call of Duty here. Are you guys interested in finding out what kind of a good night's sleep I got? Stay tuned. Yeah, so this thing is pretty awesome. I went to bed last night about, I don't know, about 10:30, and I wore the mask. The mask was very comfortable. You couldn't even really tell it was on your face. The cushion part of it, you know how on some masks, I don't know if you've ever put them on, but you can feel your eye scraping against the mask. This doesn't do that. This has a hole here where your eyes fit into. So when you open and close them, you don't feel anything on your eyelids. It's very awesome, very comfortable. I slept pretty good last night. When I woke up this morning and I pulled them off, it was just like I could sleep some more. I mean, this is actually the best sleep I've gotten in years. I'm very happy with it. I definitely recommend it. I'm going to put the product link down below. I suggest you guys try it out. They don't pay me to do this. It's just my review on it. But yeah, man, it is definitely one of the best nights I've ever gotten in sleep. I'm still kind of amazed by how comfortable it really is. I mean, the fabric, everything about it is, it's an awesome product. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the product down below so you guys can check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below if you have one. Let me know what you guys think about it. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna pick me up a couple of these guys. They do have a 2-pack you can buy. They also come with some earplugs for those of you that have noisy surroundings. But I didn't need the earplugs. Those things kind of irritated the crap out of me. So I don't recommend them. Might be better for you, just not for me. But yeah, this is the product review on it. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I always appreciate you guys checking this video out or checking my videos out. So catch you on the next video and make it an awesome day.